Uh, I work to try to find the distinctions between form and function, between things that are built to do something and things that are built to simply please the eye or the ear. I like taking things apart and reassembling them in different ways. I like the front of a stereo and I like the back of a stereo. When something works well, it improves its aesthetic. I think design, however you want to include things that are designed, it works this way. At least the best design works as an object that looks good or that fits well in your living or working environment. And it's only better if that object, if the intention happens to be its use as a tool or let's say a piece of furniture. If it also excels at function, it makes the world a better place, I guess. I don't know, it makes the world a better place for me. Now, I'm just talking almost probably exclusively about inanimate objects and environments. But it's a human making them. So any humanity that exists in these objects that I make probably contains some part of my identity. You know, I probably in the end, the less complicated definition was that I just really enjoy doing things like this. It's problem solving, which I think is an innate human quality. Simple problems, complicated problems. And some people get more satisfaction in that than they do in other things. So, I've worked with crutches before, like I am on this piece. I built a kind of pedestal candlestick out of 3 of them. I made a tripod with 3 of those legs. I mean, it's very strong wood because, you know, they're crutches. They can't break. And they have an interesting curve in them that I like, a bend. And then I've had various images in my head over the years of a chair with tall legs. And you know, I was thinking about building it straight away out of raw lumber, but these work pretty well, I think. So that's just a little insight into how I go about making